Put it on the wall.
Hi, today me and my little brother Bryson are going to make a bubble volcano. What you need are some water and some soap. What you do, you put it in a bowl like that, and then you get a straw or something and start blowing. Hope you enjoy this bubble volcano. Oh, and you also need glasses so the bubbles don't pop in your eyes.
Where are my
Look
glasses?
for them. Where'd you put them? Come on. Let's do this here. Let's do it like that a little, so I can see it's bubble. Ready?
Let's get the blow.
Go. Here, Bryson, you keep blowing.
Whoa, let's go.
Okay, I'm about to post it on YouTube. Okay, hope you enjoy this. Bye. Oh, subscribe and like. If you don't, I'll kill you. I'm just kidding. Love you. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
That was my little brother Bryson. He's 4, and I'm 11. Bye. Love you.